Hi, I'm Chef Adam Moore with True Aussie Beef and Lamb, and today we're cooking up a delicious and easy Australian grass-fed beef pot roast. This can either be eaten on its own or it can be turned into multiple meals throughout the week, such as a sandwich or a salad. So let's get started. First, we're going to add in our smoked bacon. I love this because it adds like a nice little smokiness to the dish. And then we're going to add in our already pre-cooked mushrooms and onions. If you're in a pinch, just go ahead and throw everything in raw. No need to pre-cook it. I did it because it adds a nice little depth of flavor. So we'll go ahead and add that in. And then we'll move on to our Australian grass-fed beef. Now you can use anything from a beef roast to a ribeye or really any steak that you see at the store. As it cooks low and slow, a lot of that's going to break up. There's enough liquid in this. And speaking of, we use a little bit of beer because it's a fermented food, right? So I'll add in a little bit of that. I always like to save a little bit for myself. And then we'll add in a little bit of bone broth. I like to use the bone broth because it's a little bit lower sodium option than traditional bouillon cubes or like a vegetable base. And there you have it. Super simple and easy. And for more recipes like this, go to trueaussiebeefandlamb.com. And happy cooking.